What's going on, guys? It's Mags here, coming at y'all with another market review. Today's September 25th, 2024, and without further ado, let's just jump straight into the market review. So, this is the 15-minute time frame. Um, Overall, I wanted to be bullish after getting into a discount of this range, and that's what happened overnight, so that was actually perfect, which doesn't usually happen, but it did end up happening this time. As you can see, we tapped into this 15-minute in a discount. This is previous day high, previous day low. That's literally the range of the current market, but we broke out of it now. But we hit the 15-minute gap and we pushed away from it. Coming in at 9:30, that's when I start trading, which is this orange line. Let's jump into there. So coming in, the market pushed heavily up. I'm talking heavily. One candle did One candle did 20 points, which is not too crazy, but that is a big move. So I did want to be bullish on the day slash the week, because on the weekly I did want to be bullish as well. I was aiming for this draw right here, which happens to be a daily swing high right here, or daily buy side liquidity. It's a big pool of liquidity, so I wonder how that's gonna play out. But that was the draw for today for me. We came in, 9:30 came, we pushed up, we retraced, and we respected this 1 minute fair value gap and closed above consequent encroachment, which is the 50% line, which is more probable of it pushing up higher since it didn't close below the 50%. So you can see the bodies are above the line, this gray line here, and they respected that line. Even though the wicks didn't, the bodies did, and the bodies tell the story. So after that, we came up, we inverted this here. Once we inverted that, I wanted to be long. I mean, there was a little gap here that could have pushed us down, but since my bias was bullish and the way we respected that 1 minute fair value gap, and the way we pushed away hard that we did before the 5 minute closure, and we ended up closing above 50% of the 15 minute right here. So we were like down here while I was entering, but it pushed up immediately and it closed above 50%, so that gave me more confidence in my trade. Also, look at this 5 minute closure. I was entering while this was full and I'm about to invert it, but it pushed up and closed out of it. So you can see I entered on this candle. Let me put the execution. Entered there, I marketed it in. Could have got a little lower, but I mean, we're not aiming for perfection, we're aiming to make money here. So I got in, and not too much longer, I got out in profit. I was a little shaky trying to hold it up to here because I only have one contract, and I would have taken profit here, or taken a partial here, sorry. But I only have one contract right now until I scale up. And as you can see, I mean, this is just bullish, bullish, bullish price action here. It's respecting bullish gaps, respecting order blocks, and pushing up. So I could have been more diligent and waited, but I did not want to round trip my gains. I came into the weekend drawdown, won my losses back yesterday, and I just wanted to get some wins for the week in my pocket. But that's not a bad move nonetheless. It is 20 more handles, which would have been significantly more. In this case, it would have been $50 more on one contract. But we just journal, and we when we scale up, we'll know to do these moves. We'll take a partial and move up the stop a little bit, or maybe even to break even. But that's for the future, though. We're not worried about that right now. We're worried what we could do with one contract that we caught. What was it? A 53-ish handles that I caught? Yeah, 53. Or is it 43? No, I think it's 53. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The basis of this entry was respecting that 1 minute gap how we did and displacing away from it, inverting two gaps. And you just mark it in and aim for the next pool of liquidity could have been here, could have been here, could have been here, and also could be here. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll talk to y'all next time, and peace.